Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact cells that need fixing, don't guess. Once you've highlighted the range or pressed Ctrl plus to pick the whole sheet, make a quick backup copy so mistakes are reversible. Now open the Replace dialog with Ctrl plus H. This lets you remove line breaks efficiently. In the Find field, enter Ctrl plus J to input the line break character. Leave Replace empty to delete or use a single space to collapse lines. Make sure the selection is correct before proceeding. Once done with the Replace dialog, you can run it across the selection and Excel will remove all char, 10 line breaks immediately. Alternatively, if you need precision, apply a formula, equals clean substitute, A1 char 10, to convert line breaks to spaces and strip non-printing characters. Then copy the results and paste special as values over the original cells. Make sure to check punctuation and double spaces after replacement, because converting line breaks to spaces can create extra gaps you may want to trim. Finish by cleaning residual spacing. Wrap trim around your results or run a second replace to replace double spaces with single spaces. If replace seem to do nothing, inspect for char 13 or mixed line ending characters and repeat with those codes. Also verify cell wrapping and row heights so text displays properly. If something breaks, immediately press Ctrl plus Z or restore the backup sheet you made at the start. That one-step rollback saves time and prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.